I'm Ramesh from the ACE Micromatic Group. ACE Micromatic Group has been associated with the National Productivity Summit since its inception, and we've been playing the role of the award sponsor since 2015. We believe in this platform, and we are happy that along with IMTMA, we have the opportunity to be the award sponsor and create and nurture this platform that celebrates productivity. I'd like to thank IMTMA for this opportunity, and we strongly believe that this platform helps the manufacturing sector and all our customers in learning from one another and celebrating the wonderful work that they are doing in their shop floors to enhance productivity.